Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. What to expect from the Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered Xiaomi 15 series flagships. Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro official renders arrive. Announcement set for this month. The network has new details about the Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro, including features, specs, design, and launch date. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Xiaomi 15 now official with design and hardware changes shown in first images. Xiaomi is preparing to launch its next flagship smartphone series. While the Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro will not be available until next week, Xiaomi has revealed what its next compact flagship looks like ahead of schedule. In the meantime, we get to enjoy some high-quality press renders, courtesy of tech blogger Kartiki Singh on X. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is 8.35mm thin and weighs 213 grams, 10 grams lighter than the 14 Pro. Xiaomi has now lifted the lid on what its next compact flagship looks like. On the face of it, the Xiaomi 15 looks an awful lot like the current Xiaomi 14. However, it seems that the devil is in the detail when it comes to Xiaomi's next compact flagship. Surprisingly, it appears that the Xiaomi 15 has a shorter telephoto camera than its predecessor. Although Xiaomi has not confirmed as much yet, the compared inscription on the device's camera housing suggests that it offers between 14mm and 60mm focal lengths to 14mm and 75mm on the Xiaomi 14. The display is micro-quad curved and covered with second-gen Xiaomi Longjing glass. Per Xiaomi CEO Lu Weibing, the camera island has a ceramic lens deco design. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is rumored to feature a tall, 6.78-inch curved AMOLED screen, with a 2K Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and Dolby Vision. Panels on both models are expected to use TCL's C9 luminescent material for higher brightness, and accurate colors for an improved viewing experience. The Xiaomi 15 has a 6.36-inch display with 1.38mm bezels all around. It should rival the upcoming Oppo Find X8 for the slimmest bezels around. Finally, the 15 series will be the first Xiaomi flagships to use an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner instead of an optical one. The ultrasonic technology is generally faster and more accurate, and it doesn't need to light up your finger to read it. Most welcome in the dark. We expected the Xiaomi 15 series unveiling on October 23rd, but it seems like it's happening on October 29th at 7 p.m. China time. The date was confirmed on Weibo by company CEO Lu Weibing. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.